Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the OS build and ensuring at least 10% free disk space. This avoids installer failures. Next, stop third-party antivirus and firewall because they often block services. Open Settings, go to Update History, and write down any error codes you see that guides targeted fixes. Once done, restart the Windows Update service and run a quick disk cleanup to remove temp files, so the update agent has room and permission to proceed. You now repair core update components to address corrupted files. Run DISM with Restore Health, and then sfc/scano to fix system files. These restore integrity. After that, stop Windows Update services, rename software distribution and catroot 2 folders to force a fresh cache, and restart services. If DLL registration errors remain, re-register update-related DLLs using regsver32 for the listed modules. Make sure to run these steps from an elevated command prompt so changes apply system-wide. You finish by rebooting and checking for updates again. Install updates one at a time if multiple are offered, because that isolates failures. If the built-in updater still fails, download the specific standalone package from the Microsoft Update Catalog and install it manually. Finally, if problems persist, capture the recurring error code and review Windows Update. Log for clues. That single code tells you whether to reset drivers, update firmware, or perform a repair install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.